My daughter wants me to be brave and see what it is.
Mice!
Is it mice or bunnies? I don't know. No, it's bunnies.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of them in there. I only saw 2 earlier.
It's a process I'm making you. Whatever
She stopped.
your heart I will choose.
He's
Forever
a cute little
yours,
baby.
forever I do. I get to love you.
She's gotten so
I
big.
get to love you.
Oh, the puppies are whining. They're jealous. But she's really cool.
The way you love.
You exploring, are you? Where you going?
Where'd
you go, Goofy Rabbit?
I am.
Bye-bye.